What is up you guys, it's your girl Adriana X1 and today I'll be showing you guys how I'll be toning my orange brassy bleached hair to, I guess, blonde with the Wella T14 toner. So in this video I'll try to put like a time lapse and I'll be showing you guys how I'm mixing my toner and for how long I'll be leaving it on for, as well as the before and the after results. If you guys would like to know more, then just keep on watching. You will be needing a mixing bowl, a mixing spoon or a brush. This is the Wella T14 toner that I'm using. The reasons I'm using T14 is because I saw a lot of YouTube tutorials where people with orange tones couldn't necessarily remove it using the T18. So T14 is better if you have orange tones just like I do in my hair. Developer I'll be using today is the Swarzstar 20 volume developer. It is 20 volume, it's not written here, but it is 20 volume. And yeah, I'll be mixing this in the ratio of 1:2. So we're just gonna get right to that. So the very basic general idea is that you have to use one full bottle. Please don't be stingy, just use it up. It's tiny already. So one full bottle of this. Mix it up with the 20 volume developer filled all the way 2 times. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So just put 2 bottles full of developer and you should be good to go. So all I'm doing here is mixing it really well. It has a really overpowering smell to it. I can't really describe it, but you know how hair dye smells, right? So it's something similar to that, and I'm just mixing it, and many people have said that it will turn slightly purple in the person's hair. So anyway, this is quite thoroughly mixed according to me. I've been doing this for a few minutes. So now we can just get on to the part of sectioning. Before we begin, I would like to tell you all to wear gloves. It'll burn if you have cuts on your hand, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. Hey guys, so after using the toner, this is how the end result is. I must admit that I have used purple shampoo. It's really easy to make if you don't want to go out and spend some money and buy it, because I have absolutely no proper hair dyeing supplies here in India. It's really hard to get online as well because the prices just go really high because they are imported here. So what I decided to do was, since I do have blue dye lying around, I just mixed it with a little bit of shampoo and a little bit of conditioner. So one time I used conditioner, waited 1 week, oiled my hair, took care of it, and then I used the shampoo as well. So this is what the end result turned out like. As compared to the before was like really orange, but now it is still I don't know if it's still orange, but it is decently toned out, and these are still my the parts which are black, which I intentionally didn't bleach, so you can just ignore that. But as you can see, it turned certain areas really whitish, like not white, it turned it really like this icy blonde. So it did say pale ash blonde. I don't know how ash blonde looks like, you guys can just like Google it, but for me this it did give me a drastic difference. as far as I know, because I don't know how this camera is picking up with the lighting, but I swear it is not this orange. It was supposed to look somehow like this. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope it was helpful enough. And if you would like to know where I got this toner in India, I will put the link down below in the description bar and you can check it out. As for everyone else, I'm sure you guys can get it from amazon.com. And I hope you all like this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.